Welcome to the Geeksvana 2 Minute Drone News.
Hey everyone, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news fast and first, click the notification bell. Let's start the timer. On Wednesday, DJI confirmed to the public that they will be rolling out sensors which detect aircraft, specifically airplanes and helicopters, to their full range of drones by 2020. Branded Airsense under their FlySafe banner, the Chinese manufacturer already fits these sensors to their Matrice 200 and the Mavic 2 Enterprise. The FAA mandates a requirement for all traditional aircraft to install ADS-B transmitters by 2020. DJI are following this by installing receivers in all their drones weighing over 250 grams. Now, DJI explains that when Airsense receives an ADS-B signal, it warns the drone pilot on screen with enough time to take action. There is no mention of the drone taking its own action to land or avoid the path of the aircraft. Although the drone taking over could of course create its own set of safety issues, depending on how and where the drone is being flown, it wouldn't be helpful if your Mavic suddenly decided to take a swim whilst you were flying over a lake. This development constitutes the first step in what DJI calls its plan to elevate safety. I will put the full 10-point plan in the description, but the highlights include developing new automatic warning for drone pilots flying at extended distances, governments requiring remote identification of drones, and local authorities being allowed to respond to drone threats that are clear and serious. This would appear to be a strong move by DJI to combat the growing regulation of drones over safety concerns. Certainly, it reads well to those who are concerned about drones being flown in proximity to aircraft, although it will, as it stands, still require the drone pilot to follow the rules and react to on-screen warnings. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.